Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. I am doing a tutorial right now that I'm going to show you a quick, simple makeup with no foundation. You heard me, no foundation. So I just want this makeup look to be quick, easy, just in case you have to go somewhere and you don't want to go bare face, like they say, with like no makeup on. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. Make sure you don't tug on your skin. You're just massaging or gently like tapping. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty. And I'm going to be using the bronze kind of looking brown that's here. These. If you have a bronzer, you can also use your bronzer to bronze up your face so it can look a little bit natural. So I'm going to go ahead with my brown. And I'm going to dip it in here. Tap it. I'm going to go ahead and just do the simple windshield wiper move on my eyelid. If you want a little bit more, you add a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit at the bottom. For my eyebrows in this instance, I do not want it super lined or super thick, so all I'm doing is just filling in like the bald parts that I have, but I'm not going in fully to do my whole eyebrow. Get my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Make sure you don't pinch your eyelid while doing this process. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to get my mascara. In this case, I'm going to be using the Covergirl mascara. I'm going to put some of this on. So now I'm going to get my bronzer palette, dip the same brush that I used the first time into the bronzer, and I'm going to go ahead and go over where I went over the first time with my bronzer. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer and put just a tiny bit in the areas that I feel that I have like a need to cover a lot. Of course, you're not doing your full face. My rosacea is popping out. Of course, you're not doing the full face, but it is nice to cover the spots that you feel that you need a little bit more coverage in with setting spray. Now I'm going to get that sponge and I'm going to gently dab on the areas that I put the concealer in. Now I'm going to use a little bit of setting powder, but since you're in a rush, let's say you want to go quick or you woke up late to school or to work and you just want something almost natural, go ahead and get some setting powder. Put it in a kabuki brush or in whatever brush you have. You're not going to have time to actually bake, so just go ahead and kind of dab it on your face. Leave it there for a couple seconds. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be grabbing a lip gloss. In this case, I'm going to be using the Revlon lip gloss. And I'm going to put this on my lips. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that same kabuki brush that I used, and I'm going to swipe my face with it again. Now all you have to do is get that setting spray again and spray your face. Okay guys, so this is the final product. Should I say the final look? Sorry. This is the final look. And like I said, you can use it when you're in a rush, trying to get to school, trying to get to an interview, trying to get to work, trying to get somewhere. Even when you're trying to get coffee and you don't want to go bared face, meaning no makeup at all. You just put something on quick that's going to take about 5 minutes or less, and then you're out the door. You don't have to worry about your foundation. You don't have to worry about all those steps. It's simple, easy, quick, good to go. It is what it is. Guys, this is it. And if you have any comments, please leave them down on the comment section below. If you want to see other videos or want me to try something different, let me know. And please like my videos, subscribe to my channel. So again, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, night, morning, wherever you're at. Take care, and until next time. Bye, guys.